Behold, a body with limitless power and immortality.
Hey, what is up, guys? I'm Mr. Blue, or not a best bro now, but I am back. Took a while, Jesus. But hey,
let me show you the true power of my
I've got so. I haven't done all of my summons yet. I haven't finished you putting power level or something like that. The Riders event. I haven't finished it yet, so I haven't been able to do this. Once I do, I'll try to do a step 4 and then I'll do my ticket summon, and then, you know, I'll probably show it sooner than later. I did record my summon for Cell, which I got 7. What's the spare bomb? Hey, what's the spare bomb animation? And all that. Alright. I might do some ranking match since my battle rank is not that bad. So here we go. Also, this is Regen. I would be using Majin Buu Senkai if I had him Senkai. I'm not that tryhard, so, you know, I'm not gonna get him Senkai. With the first team, let's just go with the usual. Wait for this person. See you guys in the battlefield, I guess. Alright, here we go. Come on. Shit. I've been playing so long.
I will show you the power of this fine light.
Not what I meant to do, but I'll take it. Not a bad self.
Not bad. Take this. Yeah. I'm going to enjoy it. Yeah.
Shit.
Don't get caught.
Ah, shit, I'm gonna keep blast, man. Fuck. Okay. He quit? Did he quit? He quit! He left! The guy left! Hold up, I'm playing with a bot now. Yeah, I am. He quit! The guy quit! Why'd he quit?
Not presume that you can best Zamasu. Power is great. The lightning of this is divinity.
Oh Jesus, okay. And that's how no, it's alright. See, he quit, because we're gonna turn around and wait. And that's game. Pretty short. Yep.
Oh, come on. I haven't had nearly enough fun yet.
Same here. So yeah, so the first guy quit. As you can see on the bottom, it said connecting and loading, and then the guy just left, I'm pretty sure. That was a bot. We'll come back to the second battle. Alright, and here we go, second battle. This should be not that easy, but not that hard either. Oh no, I picked the wrong cell. Ah, fuck, I just noticed. Because I'm used to having the red cell in the spot where I put the yellow cell. So I didn't mean to use that cell instead. Let's see how far I can get with that cell though. I'm not gonna lie. Back your ass up. Dumbass. Alright, we're back with the third match. This time I did pick the correct cell. Sorry about the last match. That was a mistake. This guy has the majin, vegeta, and the cell. Wow. That's how you have to be lucky to get them both. Probably got them both in like, I guess like one in a single summon, one in a multi. Or both in the multi. That'd be cool. Here we go. Bop. I know the cell does a little transformation thing, so I wouldn't mind if he let his cell die, but this early kind of feels weird. He should save the cell for like a longer end game, but let's just get that out of the way so I don't have to like battle it later. Here we go. Oh no, he's still alive. I would have seen that one coming. It's not like part of the mechanic that wasn't it. He's gonna keep. Oh, he's not doing it on hard. That's why I saved the cell. It might be green card, so yeah, but that's why I have cell there. Yep, okay, blue card. Doesn't matter, because he's not dead. So this is how you save cell. Don't just waste them first in the battle, no, just wait for an RR, let him get hit, and then this happens. And then watch this real quick. Good dodges. Boop. Vegeta took it. Vegeta took it. Wow. Oh, he's immune. Right, I forgot he has an immune thing. Yeah, that's not Spanish. Oh yeah, it was, and he had the green card. Shit, he's gonna hit hard. Why did Vegeta hit really hard for no reason? But that's the best part about him, honestly. I don't know why I rushed twice. I guess reasons. I don't know. I know why I'm doing this though. Here we go. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Making sure. Making sure I don't like somehow mess it up. Oh, he's not dead. Oh, so close. Yeah, that was perfect answer. Okay. I will say last one. Yeah, because maybe so. I don't know what he's gonna do now. He might. Yeah, he's gonna go for a super attack. And then Kamehameha! But again? He has two? Why do he has two? Is that gonna kill? No, gonna get close to that. Back away. Alright, here we go. Gonna have myself finish off this cell, I think. Yeah. It's more reasonable. Yeet! It should kill, I wanna say. No, they're close! Come on, Vegeta. I had to go with the side stuff. No, I don't have enough for my super attack. Oh. Oh, he's probably gonna do a super attack, isn't he? Never mind. Okay. For an R, why did he do it so early? Why? I mean, I saved this super attack, but why did he... Okay, so that's a dead baby. But why did he do it there? No, you should have saved it. You should have saved it in case if I kill this Majin Vegeta. Like now, then he has an R with Cell. But no, now they're both dead. I'm not gonna use it. God, that was dumb. Okay. I'm gonna go for my fourth and final match. I want this video to be super long. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the fourth match. Well, back and forth match. Hopefully last match if someone he doesn't disconnect. He might not. Gonna switch into back on going to Vegito. But nope, never mind. Would have been the smart decision though, not gonna lie. I'm guessing he's saving each character or like Vegito for the Cell. Even though the Cell's not even that good. I mean he's good, but like the beginning Cell, you know what I mean? So let me just activate that. Is he okay? Is this guy okay? I feel like he's fucking up on purpose or something. Yeet. That was not a perfect vanish. That was not. I know for a fact that was a perfect vanish. This one was most likely, yeah. And there goes Vegito. I'm gonna do a fifth match. I'm gonna have to do a fifth match. Yeah. Gonna have to do a fifth match. Damn. Super aggressive, yes, but he could have also been aggressive. He has Vegito Blue for God's sakes. Like, he could have, you know, dominated the match if he would have played, but I guess he just didn't. Well, next. Alright, fifth and hopefully final match this time. Because that match was a bit too fast. This one looks to be promising. He has a Zenkai Super Saiyan Goku that he didn't put in. I know he has it because it's unit, of course. I'm guessing. Oh, what? Wait, why did I dodge? What? I'm confused. Okay, this is like a lag battle. Okay. Oh, that. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Apparently, this is the only free man in this video. I don't have. Oh, shit. That's a preview, kind of. I don't believe it was. I know he's waiting for me to bring in a Cell, but I'm waiting for him to do rush for me to bring in Cell. I do not want to fuck something up and like bring in Cell at the wrong time, like have him transform and then get Regen Rush. Oh, this is lag. Why is it lagging? So he's supposed to do a combo, but it's lagging. Why is it lagging? I don't know. The combo won't do much anyway. Why is it lagging so much? I mean, it's not lagging bad, it's just lagging annoying. Yeah, I'm already out of combo. Good on. Okay, have to do that. He can get a feint and might try to RR or something, which is good. Oh, fuck! I couldn't hit sound right time. Alright, let me go with Fist. Green card. Although he did waste his ultimate. Oh, it's Ki Blast. Alright, so wow, he killed my summon group. Alright. Alright. Am I mad? Not really. It's been a long time coming, honestly. Alright. Fuck it. Like I have anything to lose. Here we go! Can I pick Fist? See if he picks it. See if he picks Fist as well. If I lose, I'll take it, cause turn off memory now. Oh, never mind. Is that a dead? Looks like it. Oh my god. I almost said it is, but he lived to like the literal numeration of bullshit HP. How is he still alive? That's my question. Let's switch. Okay, hold up. It's lagging. We don't know it's lagging. It's gonna dash right now. Never mind. But it is lagging hard. Look, it's not even funny. Get it? I get it. Oh, sorry, I'm on the one. Not like shit, yeah. Alright. If he okay, sorry, he's gonna do a blue card if he has enough. He might do it now. Unless he might need to charge before that. He is He flash. He didn't do it. Why did he do it? He could have done it. Well, not my problem, honestly. I already have a Western Brush ready. Except for that green Goku. Because the blue one's almost died. Okay, so, yeah, he won't get, yeah, so he needs to learn that. Okay. My uncle's calling me, no. I'll call him back. I'll call him back. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to decline your call. I was busy playing some Legend. Gonna dodge? Uh-oh. That's not good for him. Wait, what? What? How'd that hit? Wait, what? That makes no sense. That was a super attack. Okay, I better get this though. I'm dead. What? Okay, I'm confused. Hold up. That makes no sense. I went for a super attack. That should have hit. What? Don't super attacks have priority? Well, whatever. I lost, and honestly, I couldn't care less. I don't mind. I've been winning a lot, so a loss has been coming the entire time. Well, thank you guys for watching, though, and I hope you enjoyed, honestly. But that's weird. Hold up. Before I leave, like. Okay, so I'm guessing physical super attacks, actually quote-unquote, arm priority compared to Ki Blast super, like Ki Blast are like blast-related super attacks, which is dumb, cause like it's still a super attack, neither less, but whatever. I guess that's game logic. Game logic, I guess. All right, well, bye guys.